Nestled along the shores of beautiful Siang River, Pasighat sits as the gateway to Arunachal Pradesh and calls for uncountable nature lovers and adventure enthusiasts every year from across the nation. The little hamlet's virgin scenery and tranquil setup, still unscattered from the hands of commercial tourism, truly makes it an idyllic destination to spend some peaceful holidays close to nature and away from deafening roars of today's city lives. In case one is up for an unmatched adventurous in Pasighat is sure to have an thrilling time. The Siang River serves host for various adventurous activities like whitewater rafting, kayaking, angling and fishing. For wildlife lovers, the town hides in its Tor Dane Erin Wildlife Sanctuary, one of the most popular tourist attractions in Pasighat and home to an endless variety of animals and birds, perfect for those looking forward to a thrilling wildlife safari expedition or a captivating bird watching tour. The little hill town of Pasighat is also bound an interesting history dating back to the late colonial era. Kekarmonian, Hillcliff, and Komyang village in the vicinity of this hill town are some of the famous tourist attractions that still speak intriguing tales of a raging war once held between the native tribes and the British Army. The small village of Gomsi, located 15 km off Pasighat, makes for yet another interesting place to visit. Excavated in 1996, its roots were found associated with the 13th century's glorious kingdom of Ahom and even till date. Pasighat also has to its pride a ride culture which makes it a popular cultural tourism spot in the region. The Pasi and Minyong tribe inhabiting this quaint village are considered two of the oldest tribes of northeast India, which still follows their traditional customs with utmost passion till date. In case one is traveling to Pasighat with an intention to have a rendezvous with these tribes' unique lifestyles and religion practices, must plan for a trip here during Solang festival, which is celebrated with great fervor in the month of September and provides for an unmatched visual spectacle patched with animistic sacrifices and colorful dances.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon.